Do you ever go to the gym or work out and then feel like you really deserve a treat for all the hard work? Well, then you're like me, because I just did a yoga class with myself and the video about that is here. And I thought, oh, I would really like to treat myself for this lovely class, for, being such a good girl and doing the yoga and doing my practice. And then I thought, hang on. Usually treats are never anything that's good for us. Treats are often something that's gonna make us feel bloated, gives us bad skin, some kind of junk food, and probably something we only think we want because we deprive ourselves and we just forbid it and nah, I'm not gonna eat that, that's banned. And then it seems so more desirable, even though after eating it, we rarely feel that great about it. Therefore, I'm going to make something lovely today, which is a wonderful treat, makes you feel good, and will satisfy all your treaty cravings. Hello and welcome to Rotopia. Thank you so much for joining me today. So in this episode I'm making lemony protein balls. They are vegan and paleo friendly, indeed. And if you do not want to use any extra protein powder, that's fine as well. You can easily omit it and just add more of the other ingredients. And those are the following. Ta-da! And these are lovely lemon protein balls. If you have edible essential lemon oil, you could use that instead of lemons, by the way. And what I like about the recipe is that it doesn't take long, it's done within a few minutes, you don't need a lot of ingredients, you can store it either refrigerated or just in a Tupperware airtight container until they're eaten, pretty much. And you can turn them into little logs or little bars as well, and dip them in chocolate if you like. There's a recipe for that on my website. But other than that, yeah, I really like them, and that's why I keep making them. And I like them so much, they even put them in my recipe books, which you can find here, because over there is yoga corner. Lovely. I'm pretty sure you can hear my neighbor's music. R&B all day. Yeah. One more thing about the protein powder, depending which brand you use, yours could be a bit drier or, let's say, stickier. So just have a couple of extra dates available in case you want to use protein powder and yours is drier. So if the dough doesn't stick together when you squeeze it after blending everything, just add another date. You could also add a bit of water, but there you gotta be very careful to not use too much, otherwise the whole thing will be too sticky, too liquidy, and you can't form the balls. You can still rescue that by adding more coconut flakes, and yeah, then you just end up with a lot of balls. But everybody needs some balls in their life, right? Especially if it's bliss balls and protein balls. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and that you're gonna make it as well. I would love some feedback. Maybe send me a photo, either via email or Facebook, with your creations. I'm always happy to see what you make. If you have any ideas what I could do next, or if you would like to share how you usually treat yourself and whether you maybe have been inspired to change that a little bit, write in the comments below. If you like my video, please subscribe, and if you want to see more of all the things I do, come on over to my website roadtopia.com and sign up for my newsletter. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your time. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye. Whoopee! And here are my fancy lemon fruit in an